Hi everybody, this is Yousef. Welcome to my show and another time. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make an omelette, a special omelette, which is a Persian omelette, and traditional we call it tomato paste omelette, which is call it omelette robe gogeh farangee, which is egg, tomato paste. The reason why is a tomato paste, because in my country, all time, there was not all year around tomato. So it was a certain time, and that was mostly a end of summer that we had the tomato. So the rest of the year, maybe 8 months of the year, did not have a tomato. So they used the paste. So here the ingredients is oil, which is vegetable, which I personally use grapeseed oil, and egg, tomato paste, salt, pepper, cucumber is just khiyar shur or pickled cucumber, basil leaf, scallion, and avocado. And so obviously we have to have the bread to eat with. So there is any kind of bread that you're gonna use. I use the lavash and pita bread, two kinds, regular and wheat. So let's get together and start to making it. So what we have to do first, I actually have to break all these eggs in one bowl to make sure that you have them all. By the way, this is for 3 people, which is 6 eggs. You can use as much as you want, and 3 spoonful of the tomato paste. So, and salt and pepper to as much as you like. Okay, I'll put some oil in the pan, make it ready. When it gets a little bit hot, then we're gonna add the tomato paste into that, but it needs to be a little bit hot. You believe me, you're gonna like that very much, and I want everybody to use that because it's the easiest lunch, as I said, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and it's not costly, and most of the people, they have these things at home, at least in egg part of it. So just wait till it gets a little bit hot, then it starts, just melting together. Okay, this is what we really want it to be, this stage. Then we try to pour the eggs in it, and then salt and pepper. It's almost the time. Here's the time. Okay. Okay, you slowly let them a little bit, you get hard, then we mix them more. Okay, here's the time to add some salt and pepper to it. Okay, we're almost done. Here we go. We're gonna serve this, taking off the heat, and put it on a dish. Okay, here we go. Just gonna add some of those cut scallion on top of it, and with a basil leaf, and I like to make some of those pickled cucumber sliced too, and here we go. Bon appetit. Beautiful. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. This is Yousef again. I appreciate you spending time with me, and see you next time. Till next time, please don't forget to leave a comment and like us. Till next time, thank you very much.